there is a reason this product gets mixed reviews. You may see it online as the perfect solution for your woodworking shop, but don't just take their word for it. Link is in the description. I've seen it firsthand and have the hands-on experience to know what it can really do for you. First off, this jointer is absolutely not for beginners. These machines are for serious woodworking professionals who know their way around a power tool, especially one as complex as this Powermatic jointer. They're not for hobbyists who are just starting to learn, or folks who think they can handle it by watching YouTube tutorials alone. No matter how many hours you watch, this thing is a beast. If you don't have years of experience under your belt, you're going to struggle with it. You've got to be willing to invest the time to learn how to use it properly, or you'll end up frustrated and maybe even hurt. Trust me, you don't want to be that guy. It's worth noting I've spent over 25 years in the trade, and even I had to go through some trial and error when I first started working with a Powermatic jointer. Now let's talk about what it can do. This Powermatic 16-inch parallelogram jointer is a beast of a machine, but in a good way. That 16-inch table and precision ground cast iron give it the stability to handle even the largest of boards. I'm talking huge, we're talking door-sized huge. And with that 7.5 HP engine, it'll get the job done fast and efficiently. It's not just about the raw power though, it's about the smooth operation. With a rack and pinion adjustable cast iron fence system and positive stops at 45 and 90, you get incredibly accurate cuts every time. It's a dream to work with. Plus, the cast iron fence bevel controls are nice touches that make the whole experience more user-friendly. In my experience, most jointers fall short when it comes to the actual cutting process. They vibrate, they make a mess, and the finished product doesn't always turn out quite right. Not this one. The helical cutter head features 58 two-sided knife inserts that reduce noise, eliminate vibration, and give you an absolute mirror finish. I've used it for some of the most precise and intricate woodworking I've ever done. With this jointer, I can confidently say that the results are always better than what I'd get with a competitor's product. And with that, I think it's safe to say this is the one you should go for if you can afford it. However, the one major drawback for me has been the setup process. Setting up this machine can be a nightmare, even for an experienced guy like myself. You need to make sure everything is calibrated just right, you need to tighten and loosen screws at the exact right time, and if you don't it'll throw off the whole operation. So be prepared to spend some serious time fine-tuning this jointer to get the results you want. All that being said, if you're the kind of serious woodworking professional who knows what they're getting themselves into, this machine is the ultimate tool for you. You've got the experience, you've got the patience, and you've got the skills to unlock this beast's full potential. That's when you'll get the results you want and can justify the hefty price tag. As for the price, I'm not one to throw around numbers. If you can afford it, this machine is the one to beat. Period. If you're still on the fence or wondering if this is the right investment for you, I think it's worth doing your research. Compare it to others in its class, see what the other pros have to say, and read my hands-on experience in this video. And most importantly, don't go blindly into this without thinking it through. It's a big investment, but a worthwhile one if used correctly. So there you have it, folks. If you're ready to take your woodworking to the next level and have the experience to support it, this machine is the way to go. But let me be clear, it's a big boys club. If you can't handle the beast, don't try to tame it. Just walk away and buy one more suited to your skills. Check the link below before the price changes.